If you've had a long day and need to relax, then stick around. I have a few simple stretches that'll help you feel great. After you have applied some On the Mend oil on all the tight spots, roll your spine down and walk out to a plank position. Do a few cat-cow stretches and roll through the spine. Take as much time here as you need. When you're ready to start, roll onto your back and place your foot into the strap, guiding the leg in a circular direction. Do a few circles in each direction and then start to kick the leg down, giving some resistance into the strap. Resist for about 30 seconds, then slowly relax the muscle tension and repeat 2 to 3 times. Other side. Finish here with a figure 4 stretch for your hip. Stay here for as long as you need. Stay here and resist and kick into the strap for about 30 seconds each time. Other side. Gently hug your knees in and rock from side to side. Take a deep breath and relax for the rest of the night.